Hey everybody, this is Wendy. Welcome. Today I am showing you my September class to go. You will love these cards. They're beautiful. We obviously focused on fall and Halloween. So beautiful cards. These are the ones you would make. You get 2 of each, so 8 cards total. And you get to make them yourself. They are a kit. So nothing's stamped, nothing's done for you. You have to put them all together. You get exclusive videos showing you how to put all of the cards together. And then you have some options to add on the stamp sets that coordinate. In this case, this month, you can get the Cauldron Bubble stamp set or the Falling for Leaves stamp set. If you were to get either one of those and the kits, it's $32. If you buy just the kits, it's $25. Now, as another offer we're doing, if you want to get all of this stuff, the bundles, the card kits, the videos, the whole 9 yards, then you would pay $96. The bundles are actually $44 a piece, so you're just paying like a little bit for shipping and getting those kits for free. If you're interested, visit me at lovinstampin.com for more details. You can click on classes and then current class to go, and you'll see all the information there for you. Thanks so much for hanging out. Bye-bye.